Annyeonghaseyo Yorobun, all BTS armies gather here. We are going to Jungkook's Golden The Moments exhibition. This exhibition is all set in Mumbai at Bandra West Mehboob Studios. First of all, a big thanks to Hybe Entertainment for bringing such a good venture for all the Indian BTS armies, and especially starting with Mumbai is such an honor. Visiting Bandra is always fun because we have such a good, lively vibe here. After reaching Mehboob Studios, I could see happy faces who already visited the exhibition and many other who were excited to go in. Once you reach the venue, you could see all the Jungkook vibes everywhere. You could see his smiling face, his big posters, and watching that itself is such an excitement. So everybody was queued up to get the golden tickets, and they had different sections that they have placed to see all the awards that Jungkook had got. And there's a little surprise you could see ahead. So you have to show your Book My Shows QR code and get the golden tickets, which has Jungkook's photo card in it as a memory for you. Getting a photo card from Hybe itself is such a big thing, and I'm lucky enough and happy to have got one for me. So here we go. Once you enter into the exhibition, the first screen you have all the golden lights. The first stop we have all the awards that Golden Album received, and trust me guys, it's a real award that Jungkook has won for his first ever album. So speaking about his album, my favorite song from it is obviously 7, followed by Standing Next to You. But nevertheless, this is a very underrated opinion, you can say. But I'm Still With You and Euphoria will always top my list of forever favorites. Moving to the next stop, there was a very big surprise waiting for us. I was clearly stunned to see such a huge posters of Jungkook, and Jungkook in black is something we cannot resist. He is so damn hot. We had all the photos that he had, all the photo shoots, and there was a surprise waiting in the corner. If you could see, yes, his very own clothes. I first of all was not sure whether it's real one, but yes, guys, it is the real clothes that Jungkook had wore, and I'm still processing this information. Speaking about BTS and its armies, we all are OT7. We love them all 7 equally. But this boy here, our Hwangnam Mangne, Jungkook, he is very special. He is smallest of them all, and of course, every other members love him the way Army does. So it's like meeting a family member. It's equal to that. Jungkook has given us many memories. His lives that we enjoy on V Live, everything is so special. So this exhibition gave me a vibe of like meeting him virtually, not in presence though, but yes, this will stay with us forever. Thank you, Hype, for such an amazing opportunity. And we are looking forward for more such from Hype Entertainment. We are already very excited. So there were also some mini theaters like where they were presenting all the songs from Golden. They are behind the scenes, some unreleased tapes that Jungkook had during shooting for these songs. Also his backstage choreography that he did with his friends. It was such a nice experience. Next stop is all of his dresses that he had wore for concert and for music videos. Standing in front of those clothes and imagining going Delulu is what armies love to do. And I spent a good quality time with these photos. Not every day you get to see Jungkook on big screen, and here they gave us this moment standing next to you. This whole exhibition just teleported me to South Korea. It was not like we are there in Mumbai. This is something whole different world. We are so much thankful to each and every people who made this possible, and hopefully we could see Jungkook and all other members as well in Mumbai performing in front of us. That would be such a big day in everybody's life, and we just hope good wishes to Jungkook that we could see more albums from him. This wall is so special. There were so many messages written for Jungkook, and I could just imagine him reading those and laughing with his bunny eyes wide open. I took my pen and I just went blank by reading all those comments. I just wanted to keep it short and crisp, just what I could talk to him once I see him in person. So I just wrote, "We love you, JK." And of course, he is our lovable Wangnam Mangne that we love. All those comments, they were so warm and so pleasant. Sarange Jangugi, yes, that's all I could feel there, and that's what I just wanted to say him when I meet him. The feeling of watching Jungkook alone in a theater-like experience is something else. This was a very special behind the scenes for all his golden albums. It was very special to watch it. Do visit and have fun. Thank you guys.